Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this IBM Selectric 2 that is reconditioned and ready for sale. It is sold. It's going out. This is just a little take a look at this machine time. I'm going to take the covers off it. We're going to rebuild plant collar. Pretty much everything got done to this machine that needed to be done. A lot of parts replaced and pulley replaced, of course. It works really good. This is a really nice unit. Some are better than others, it seems, but this one is extremely nice. So let's take a look, see how she types. Correct's good. This is a good working machine. Nice correction feature. So everything's been reworked. Got a brand new card guide on here, new heavy duty roller. Of course, we got pulley over here that's heavy duty replaced. Bottom cover's been reworked. And the main thing on this, which needs to be done on all these Selectrics nowadays, it seems like, is it's got new pulley, new belt, new clutch, which fires off every time you do a strike. Center bushing, return clutch rebuilt, tabulator pinions reworked. Feet are a little squeaky. Shift clutch over here, rebuilt. It's a little squeaky under here, isn't it? This is a beauty. This machine is really, really clean. Bottom foam could probably be replaced, but we're going to leave it. I don't have any foam anyhow, so we got to leave that. I guess it's not 100% perfect, but pretty close. Motor's been flushed and lubed back here. Bushings put in here as needed. It's a very quiet running machine. And let's put the case back on it real quick. And I'm going to show you. We're going to use our new, well, not new, I've used them a couple times, these shipping plugs to help secure the machine when it's being shipped. Help prevent any type of shipping damage. That will, it's our biggest fear with shipping Selectrics is them getting hurt in shipping, so. What we're going to do with this one is turn this off. Each one of these, when they were new, they came with a rubber plug and a board, and they were mounted to this board. We're going to emulate that a little bit. We got plugs here that fit in here. They will fit in there. They'll fit down here. And they'll line up with the washer and a bolt. You bolt them through like this. It pulls the machine and the frame together, and that helps secure any kind of movement in the typewriter while it's being shipped. So there'll be two more over here, so it'll be all four corners, and that will help it keep it from getting damaged in shipping. And that's about it. Just wanted to highlight this guy here before I ship it out. Because it's a beauty. Phoenix Typewriter. Just going to look at that serial number there. So the last four numbers are 8755 on this guy. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.